Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be installing the Oculus bi-LED headlights and the Quadratec pre-runner kit on my JL. Boom, there it is. Oculus bi-LEDs with the Quadratec pre-runner lights for the JT grill, because I have the JT grill on this. Now I'm not going to show you guys how to do the headlights. It's super easy. There's a video that I'm going to link below. You can check that out, but I will include some tips on the pre-runner light kit and show you how that installs and gets hooked up. All right, let's get started. Stay tuned. All right, as you can see, got the grill off. Yeah, we've got the headlights out. New headlights are down there. Grill's there. Just kind of wanted to show you guys a little bit of the progress. I had to move my winch forward just a little bit to get the grill out completely. And then there's Archer. Hey. Yeah, he's busy. He doesn't like this mod as much because it's not for him. Alright guys, after just a few minutes of struggling, you can see the lights are gonna go across the grill. You're gonna run it through the headlight opening, back kind of behind the washer reservoir, and I was able to do this without removing the fender or the liner. I removed this fuse box here, just set it to the side, and then down in there, right down here, you can see the wire coming through, and this is where the fender light connector is back here. Now I was able to do this just by feel and by disconnecting and then reconnecting without having to actually remove the fender or the liner or anything like that. So that made it a lot quicker, and honestly it took an extra maybe 2 minutes of me just feeling around and routing everything. Really wasn't that bad. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on mounting the brackets to the grill. I will be back. Alright, so the JT kit comes with these clips from Quadratec that snap in here. First, what you have to do is route the light through first. Put the clip on there, and I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, so excuse me if I'm shaky. But basically, you squeeze at the bottom, and all right. Sits in there like that. Next, what you want to do is have your rubber, the lead on this middle one is really short, so it's kind of a pain. Okay, you want to have the rubber gasket off of there. Makes it 100 times easier to try to snap into this clip. Trust me on that, I know from trying. So press the rubber in there, press the light in, and there you have it. So I've got the two done. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the third. I'm gonna install the grill, get everything wrapped up, and then I'll show you what it looks like once everything's turned on. And we're done. So that's what it looks like with the halos on the Oracle lights and the pre-runner kit from Quadratec for the JT. And then there it is with the headlights on, everything on, turned on. I think it looks really good. The fender lights are going to be replaced soon with the American Adventure Lab Highline kit. I'm gonna leave the fender liners in when I do that. I'm just gonna mount the lights up. Trying to make it a clean install. I don't really need the clearance right now. If I go to 37s, I might have to pull it off. But for now, that's it, you guys. Thanks for tuning in and watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I will catch you guys on the next one.